here she is! Ta-da! Hello everyone and welcome to Darmaine's Day, where we talk travel, lifestyle and how I fund them. And today I am so excited because we are unboxing my new Louis Vuitton bag. Packaging is so Christmassy with the red handle, and here it's like Louis. When you know, you know. Not really. So yeah, if you are looking for a calm, soothing unboxing, this ain't it. Because I am so excited. I have been eyeing this out for 3 months now. And whenever I look at it online, it's always stock unavailable. So I actually have to place an order, pay for it without seeing the bag, and then just pick it up in stores. So I picked it up yesterday at Crown Melbourne. So their Louis Vuitton store there is amazing. Anyway, enough chatting, more unboxing. Let's get started. So in the box we get... Aww. I really opted for a smaller bag slash wallet. Like, we are still working from home and my team is remote. So I thought if I'm not going out that much for daily slash work purposes, I would need something for going out to like formal events and dinner and stuff like that. So it's your typical pull out one because it's kind of a wallet, kind of a bag. I was making that weird noise. Try again. It's making weird party noises. And comes with your expected typical dust bag. And here she is! Oh my god. Ta-da! So I got the VUITTON chain wallet in... Oh gosh, I'm gonna butcher all these pronunciations. But it's monogram and... That one that starts with an E. I should have researched how to say it first. This is whatever. You got what I meant. The monogram and front. Absolutely love just the leather and how subtle it is, because until you see it up close, like you won't know and you won't see like the signature monogram Louis Vuitton, and I love that. And so let's see the inside. So opening it, there is a little pouch. You can just put your wallet or lipstick and whatnot. And then we've got this gold hardware zipper. Anything important that might fall out. And then just a nice compartment here with some card holders. So this is absolutely just perfect to carry your essentials when you are going out. It's not one of those everyday bags. Just to compare it, I've got the Speedy 25 here, and that's the size comparison between the two. So this is more of like my everyday bag, like wherever I go I take it and it can fit anything and still have space. Whereas this one, I won't try to fit as much. As I said, this is my special occasion date night bag, and I'm just absolutely so in love with it. So let's try this on and see how it looks with my current fit. I don't think it'll go with the pearl because of the gold hardware, and this is quite casual, but let's see how we go. The chain I think is perfect length, and I could go just on the shoulder, crossbody, doesn't match the pearl at the moment. Or, and my sales assistant taught me this trick, I could just, or it could be a handbag if I wanted more classy look. So yes, that is the unboxing of my new bag, and I can't wait to wear it tonight. Because we talk lifestyle and finance in this channel, I want to be open and honest with how much I spent and give you some tips when you're buying your luxury bag. I got this bag for $2,750 and that is in AUD. And I know that for the size of the bag, it is quite pricey, but it is not about the size. Compared to other brands, so I did look at YSL, Gucci, and Chanel. In terms of the style, this really stood out to me. In terms of the price point, I thought that this was just right. So it's more quality, style, and price point. I wouldn't go over $4,000 for a similar bag, but that's just me and that is just my budget. So I still budget for this kind of things. It is in the spreadsheet. Moving on to some tips if you are going to buy your luxury bag. Whether it's your first one or you are a pro. If you're a pro, maybe you already know this, and leave some comments down below if you can add more tips to what I'm gonna give. So the first one is book your appointment. So I know that Louis Vuitton has a booking system online and it's just worth it because out of all the Louis Vuittons in Melbourne, like Chadstone, Crown, and Collins Street, all three of them, most of the time, you will have to line up. For a more pleasant experience and so that you don't have to wait in line, just book an appointment, and in that booked appointment you will get your sales assistant. And if you do love your sales assistant, I would highly suggest get their business card, and for your next purchase, message them. Message them before you go in the store, message them to book an appointment and build that relationship with them. With good relationships, you can just have some nice perks. So I absolutely love my sales assistant, and if and when I get more, only definitely book an appointment with her because she gets my style. She has really good suggestions and alternatives, and she is so patient with my indecisive ass, just like sitting there staring at like two bags comparing two different colors. You can get some perks too. So for me, I got free parking, some samples of perfumes, and you know, whenever you put free before a word, I am all for it. Like, free. So only 2 tips today. Book your appointment, and if you love your sales assistant, make sure you get their business card and build a relationship with them because it just makes everything such a pleasant experience. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Thanks for joining me in my unboxing. I cannot wait to use this tonight, and I'll see you in the next video.